Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a profound sense of wonder? A feeling of being part of something immense, something ancient and mysterious. That feeling is a connection to the cosmos, a universe of unimaginable scale and breathtaking beauty. We live on a tiny, fragile world, a pale blue dot suspended in a sunbeam, as Carl Sagan so eloquently put it. But from this small vantage point, we have managed to peer deep into the fabric of space and time, uncovering truths that challenge our very perception of reality. The universe is not just stranger than we imagine, it is stranger than we imagine. Today, we're going on a journey together, a voyage through space that will unveil some of the most astonishing secrets the cosmos holds. These aren't just trivia, they are windows into the fundamental workings of our universe. Each fact is a thread in the grand cosmic tapestry, weaving a story of creation, destruction, and endless possibility. I promise you, after hearing these, you will never look at that familiar night sky the same way again. The stars will seem closer, the darkness more profound, and your place within it all even more special. So, get comfortable. Let your curiosity guide you as we embark on this exploration. We'll travel from the heart of our own solar system to the farthest reaches of known space, encountering phenomena that defy everyday logic. Prepare to have your mind expanded and your perspective shifted. The universe is waiting for us. Let's begin. 1 million Earths could fit inside the Sun, which is, in cosmic terms, just an average-sized, middle-aged star. Intermittent running water flows on Mars, challenging our old belief that Earth was the only planet with liquid water. Comets are leftovers from the solar system's formation 4.5 billion years ago, made of sand, ice, and carbon dioxide. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune have no solid surface, meaning you could never, ever stand on any of them. If you were to hop on a commercial airplane and fly to Pluto, the journey would take over 800 years. There are about 500,000 pieces of space junk orbiting Earth, from old satellites to tiny fragments of debris. So, did you know that, an asteroid about the size of a car enters Earth's atmosphere roughly once a year? But don't worry. It usually burns up before it ever reaches us. Here's something wild. The Sun is 400 times larger than the Moon, but it's also 400 times farther away. That's what creates those perfect solar eclipses we sometimes get to see. The International Space Station actually circles our planet every 90 minutes. That means astronauts up there can witness 16 sunrises and sunsets every single day. Isn't that just amazing? Venus is actually the hottest planet, with surface temperatures of about 863 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's because it has a super thick atmosphere that traps all the heat. It's kind of wild to think about, right? Neptune has only completed one orbit around the Sun since its discovery in 1846. Its year is really long, 165 Earth years. That's almost impossible to imagine. There could be over 200 billion rogue planets, untethered to any star, just drifting silently through the Milky Way galaxy. It's, kind of amazing to picture all those lonely worlds out there. So, here's something wild. Space is actually completely silent. That's because sound waves need a medium, like air, to travel through, and well, space just doesn't have that. Did you know our moon is slowly drifting away from Earth? Yeah, it's moving at a rate of about 3.8 centimeters, or about 1.5 inches every single year. Okay, get this. A day on Venus is actually longer than its year. It takes 243 Earth days for Venus to rotate once on its axis. That's just mind-blowing! So, get this. A single sugar cube-sized amount of material from a neutron star would weigh about a staggering 1 billion tons on Earth. That's just like mind-blowing. And wow, somewhere out in space, there's this colossal water vapor cloud that holds 140 trillion times the water in Earth's oceans. It's 10 billion light years away. Can you even imagine that? The largest known asteroid is Ceres, which is about 965 kilometers wide, and it lives in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Our moon was likely formed from a cataclysmic collision between the early Earth and a wandering Mars-sized object called Theia. The universe has no center and is constantly expanding everywhere, meaning there is no edge you could ever hope to reach. And so, our journey comes to a close, but the universe's story is far from over. From the impossible density of a neutron star to the silent wanderings of rogue planets, we've seen that the cosmos is a place of endless marvels. These facts aren't just data points, they are reminders of our connection to something vast and beautiful. They humble us, showing us our smallness, but they also empower us. For we are the part of the universe that has evolved to ask questions, to wonder, and to understand. The same stardust that forged galaxies and suns is within us. We are, quite literally, a way for the cosmos to know itself. The quest for knowledge is a shared one, a conversation that spans generations. Now I want to bring that conversation here. Go down to the comments and let me know, which of these facts blew your mind the most? Was it the silent void of space, the long year on Neptune, or the sheer scale of our sun? I want to read what resonated with you, what sparked your curiosity. Because every question you ask is a step forward for all of us on this journey of cosmic discovery. If you enjoyed this voyage and want to continue exploring the biggest questions of science and the universe, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. We have so much more to discover together, from the mysteries of black holes to the search for life beyond Earth. Thank you for spending this time with me, for looking up at the stars and daring to wonder. Until next time, stay curious.